And hello, Greg Barrett here with Communico, home of our Magic programs. Magic stands for Make a Great Impression on the Customer. And I want to talk to you a little bit about a program that you may not know, or programs that we have that you may not know about. We do quite a lot of keynote speaking, whether it's at a conference, whether it is at a meeting for you. We've done a lot of things. Just recently, I was out in Minnesota and we had a great program around magic and selling your team in a leadership perspective. But we've got all types of topics. We talk about what makes great customer service, what makes a great leader, emotional intelligence, change management, effective coaching, the difference between coaching and leading. These could be 1 hour at a conference that you could have, could be a workshop, could be 2 hours. Something like that. So we'd love for you to reach out and talk to us about how we can help you during your conferences or maybe a keynote speaking. Appreciate you tuning in. More information, please go to www.communico.com.